Are you trying to learn bug bounty but tired of scrolling through endless tutorials? Here's a no bullshit guide that actually shows what to learn in what order and why, so you can stop being confused and finally start hacking. Hello everyone and welcome to CyberBlink. I'm back after a break and today I'm giving you one clear roadmap you can actually follow. No fluff, no hype. If you want to start bug bounty in 2026 and not get lost, stay with me. Step 1. Foundation. Spend time in Linux and the terminal. Learn to move around the file system, run commands like ls, curl, grep, and read outputs. At the same time, get the networking basics. What's a port, what's DNS, and what happens when your browser asks for a page. You don't have to be an expert, but you should be comfortable with the tools you'll use every day. Step 2. Web fundamentals. Learn HTML structure, the DOM, and a bit of JavaScript when you see fetch, something like /API/items or a main.js file. That should ring a bell. That's an API endpoint to test later. Also learn a little backend, basic routing, how file uploads works, how sessions work, and cookies are stored. Again, reading, not building full apps, just enough to follow request flows and reason about where things might break. Step 3. Tools you live in. Your browser's DevTools is your daily friend. Open the network tab and watch requests. Get burp suite set up and mess with the proxy and repeater in a safe environment. For recon, learn SubFinder and MAS, some tools you can use for subdomain enumeration and asset findings, and HTTPX to check which hosts respond, which not. For templated checks, you can go and learn Nuclei, which is a framework you can use to discover vulnerability with predefined templates. The key is master a handful of tools instead of roaming around every tool that comes in the market. Step 4. Pick one vulnerability. It is the most important step. Only pick one vulnerability at first and become the go-to person for it. You can pick XSS or IDOR and go deep. For XSS, learn reflected, then stored XSS, then DOM-based XSS, craft payloads, and learn how to evade web application firewalls. And practice, you can use burp suite, the intruder functionality. For IDORs, practice changing IDs, how to guess them, validate access logics. Mastery of one class accelerates everything. Step 5. Practice the right way. Use legit playgrounds first. Don't test on live websites and get yourself in trouble. Great places include Portsfigur's Web Security Academy, OWASP Juice Shop. You can run it locally on your system. You can practice on Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, and DVWA containers. Build a habit. You can practice daily on labs. Step 6. Documentation. Document everything, every finding, every small thing you learned, and every step you took while testing a program. The exact URL, the parameter, the short number steps to reproduce. And the evidence, of course. Keep notes about what worked, what didn't, and any new techniques you picked up. Read other hackers' reports regularly. They show you real-world workflows. It is very important. And what triggers actually care about. When you combine that habit with the rest of this workflow and systematically work through the vast top 10, you'll stop feeling puzzled and start getting consistent results. Now, thanks for watching CyberBlink. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.